Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marus Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can use a VPN in Zimbabwe for a secure internet access. So, if you are new on this YouTube channel, I kindly request you to subscribe, share this tutorial, and then like the tutorial. So, first and foremost, you're going to open our Google Play Store, and in your Google Play Store, I'm going to guide you through how you can download this application because it is already listed on Google Play Store. So that is it. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, or educational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So first and foremost, you're going to go Google Play Store, and then you're going to search this application, which is Maya Tunnel. Search Maya Tunnel VPN application. If you are in Zimbabwe, I'm going to guide you through the best servers so that you can secure your internet access while online. Add an extra layer of security so that you can access the privacy on your device. So you're going to download this application Maya Tunnel, and then after downloading, you're going to open. And then once you open, you're going to set this application like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friends. And in case you get any problem while setting up this application, the comment section is open. I'm going to guide you through each and every step in the comment section. We can guide you, or we can request you guys to consent, and then after you're going to allow all permissions that will be requested to you on your device by this application so that you can establish a secure internet access on your device. Join the Telegram channel for more to keep up with the important uh, updates. Now we're going to set this application like this. You can use the custom setup, and then you can also go and choose the protocol as SSL dialect, and then you can put in your country's SNI. In this case, we're going to put in your Zimbabwe's SNI. Alternatively, you cannot. You're going to close the custom setup, and you're going to go where you see all countries UDP, and in this case, we're going to go where you see all networks, and then once you reach all networks, you're going to go and search Zimbabwe like this. By searching Zimbabwe, you're going to be seeing these servers right here. They're all for Econet and Net1, but I can request you guys to connect to the first server, this one, Zimbabwe Econet new, and then before connecting to this server, you're going to first put airplane mode on and then off, or you're going to put flight mode on and then off. After, you're going to press the start button, and then once you press that start button, you're going to allow the connection request, and then you're going to give it some few seconds to connect. But you can also go where you see add 4 hours, so that you can add those 4 hours so that the time does not elapse. As you see, I'm remaining with only 47 seconds online. You are free to close all those adverts that will be showing up, those pop-up adverts. Let us grows. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and then you are free to start up until this server connects so that it can establish a secure internet access. As you see, mine has connected successfully. That is it. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I sign out.